Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Samsung screen color. We start by opening the phone settings, and then we enter the accessibility option. Now we are going to click on Vision Enhancements. After that, we will check if we have any options activated. The first to review will be the color filter, which if activated, we will deactivate. If you still have a different color after that, check if you have another option activated, such as color inversion or color correction. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.